Here are 10 stock charts to keep watching beyond the first quarter of 2025. Beginning with Apple, which has lower wick rejection at this established support zone, there's renewed optimism for returning back to the 250s. However, trending indicators are still bearish to mixed in sentiment. So it wouldn't be too unusual for a range like this to form with more bullish potential along the curvature of the spiral heading towards the next fib time zone interval. Amazon is much more clear in terms of heavily bearish indicator values, though if the 200 boundary continues to hold, it could pave the way for flatter to inclined movement approximating the next fib channel extension. On to Costco, where the gap down has seen all indicators rapidly respond by reaching extreme bearish values. At the same time, price closed under this channel. So even if the gap were to be filled, it'd be more difficult to decisively cross over the 1,000 barrier. Meaning if things stay neutral to bearish around the wide gap down range, look for bullish retracements to more likely take place near the fib arcs around the time zone lines. For BYND, indicators show bearish momentum losing some steam. However, if price can't return into the fib retracement range, it wouldn't be too absurd to see an eventual continuation towards the next time zone interval. In which case, the next extension range can more likely produce upswings along the spiral and next lower fib channel line. ACB is relatively straightforward following a sharp retracement from the gap up peak. If contact can't be held at or above this area, a gap fill can accelerate the chart back to the $5 range. While it would be difficult to see a bullish retracement go past $8 unless daily bullish volume rises towards 3 million or higher. GoPro reaching the first extension range as the long-term downtrend marches on. Meaning if the $1 barrier can't be surpassed, it'll be more of the gradual decline. Lyft still sees a bearish advantage, unless price can break above the channel and the $13 range to at least make contact with 1550. Otherwise, this gradual slide along the mid-channel line can be possible with neutral to bullish movement, more likely upon contact with the fib arcs. AMD is structured similarly with indicators now easing off extreme bearish values slightly. So a bounce back to the 110 to 120 range could be a best-case scenario. Anything higher would be quite optimistic under current conditions. However, if price struggles to stay over 100 and go into the upper portion of the channel, a bearish acceleration can become more plausible, heading towards the next trend-based fib time zone interval. Uber's bearish retracement quickly lost momentum. Wait to see if it can recover onto this fan line incline and try to establish back into the 80s, and avoid a drop back to the original moderate uptrend line and stronger support into the low 70s. For more on the charting methods used, these and other charts, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.